Okay, so do you like my forest? Um, so this is the notation. So front face, T top, B bottom, R right, L left, and then the prime denotation is the counterclockwise modifier. There's not a prime, then you assume the step is clockwise. And obviously, I mean, not obviously, but your right side clockwise is going to be like that, counterclockwise like that. But on your left face, your clockwise is going to be reverse. So that's clockwise. That's counterclockwise, right? So left, clockwise, yep. So top clockwise, top counterclockwise, or should I say top prime, bottom prime, front prime. Okay. So then, like in our notation, we would have a, right top, right prime, top prime. And if I run through this like specific, this step 2 algorithm, and well, actually, I mean, all the algorithms, if you run through them enough times, you get back to the same state that you were in when you started. So if I do this one, I think this one's a sequence of 8. If I do this one 8 times, I'll be back to solve, which I got rid of my little pillow setup so that I could do this. So let's see if I actually get this in screen. And hopefully I didn't. Right? Oh wait, that was right prime. Right top. Yep. So I run back and I'm there. So that's just a note on the notation. And then if I pop my fingernails are long. Pop the face off. I think the cube I gave you does this pretty much any self-respecting cube that's actually built for speed solving and not just a Rubik's brand Rubik's Cube will do this. These are tension screws, So we're gonna, loosen this so I can show you if you solve it and you're like, I did it right, but it's just everything's kind of fucked up. Like your last state, you're done, but something just won't orientate right. It's because these screws are loose, and what will happen, I mean, if they're loose, you can go fast, but then it gets sloppy. And fast and sloppy is good sometimes, but not all the time, because that's how mistakes happen. So loosen these. What will happen is that when you're going, this piece will, let's see, bringing back the pillow. Excuse the shaky cam for a second. Please and thank you very much, madam. I totally just have this propped up on a pillow on a book. You can totally, actually, if you look close, see me breathing. These will, fall out, and then the whole cube falls apart. But if they don't fall out, do that. And that's no bueno. And so you just gotta kind of take it, and you're not gonna break it unless you do. And then you put it back to part, and it's a pain in the ass, but it's satisfying, and put it back in the right way. But that can happen. So when you do get fast, with the way the speed cubes are built, you can turn it, a couple degrees, and then it'll pop like that. So you just kind of give it a little flick, and then pop it. Corner pieces will flip too, like that. It's actually more, well, I don't even know if I've actually ever flipped a middle piece. It's actually the corner pieces that'll flip. So you'll be done, and the whole cube will be in a solved state like this, except it's not orientated right. And you'll be like, why didn't that last algorithm do it? It just got fucked up because it's skipping. Maybe I'll take this apart on video, just in case you ever blow it up, because that happens too. What was the other? Oh, I was going to show you how to corner cut, which I just did. That's corner cutting. I'm sure there's things I've missed, or things that I've screwed up. I don't know if you can hear my dad brushing his teeth upstairs. That's delicious. Yeah, that's that. I'm just gonna make one more video. I have a really interesting cube I want to show you. And once you get the basic one, maybe some cube like that somehow finds its way into your life, and you can have some fun with that, because it's a lot more mentally stimulating